here we have a 1941 Packard 150. Okay, here's the interior. Got wood grain dash there. Very nice. Okay, here we have a 1976 Trans Am. It's got 455 cubic inch, high output engine. Hey, here's a 1964 Ford Fairlane 500. It's got the 427 cubic inch. There's a whole lot of engine underneath there. Okay, here we have a 1960 Ford Fairlane with the 390 underneath the hood. Okay, here's the interior. They only made this body style for 1 year, so it's pretty rare. Okay, here's the 390 in the engine bay. Okay, here's a Ford Mustang GT Shelby. Got the Super Snake on the seat there. Okay, here we have the Charger General Lee. Iconic. Okay, we have the 383 4-barrel underneath the hood. Absolutely beautiful, this car is. It's perfect. Okay, you got your roll cage in there. Okay, here we have a 1970 GTO.
Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line.
Okay, we have the 400 4-barrel. This one's got AC.
I was broken, needed some time to clear my
Nice black vinyl top.
Cause I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. Cause I've been sinking like a stone Carolina.
Okay, we have a Chevy Chevelle SS with a 454.
I won't let you go, 'cause I'm finding my way right back to you.
Hey, you got AC, power brakes.
Way back to you.
Power steering.
I see you
Nice.
floating its way out to the sea. I can remember carving our names
It's a beautiful car.
trees, and yeah, just wanna see you.
Okay, here we have another Chevy Corvette Stingray.
I've been missing home.
This one's got the 427.
Been sinking like a stone, Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go, 'cause I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I'll find my way
Okay, here's the interior.
back to you. I think that I'm finding my way.
Here's a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback, 289.
I think that I'm finding my way. I've been sinking like a stone.
Hey, there's the interior.
Nothing's ever really broken, and I won't let you go, 'cause I'm finding my
Okay, this has got the 355 underneath the hood, and this is actually a factory 5 kit that the owner had built about 10 years ago. There's the factory 5 emblem on the rims. Very nice. This is a nice car. It's underneath the hood there. Okay, here is a Chevy Camaro, a split bumper, and it's got the flat black paint. I like these Camaros. It's got the new style halogen headlamps in the front there. Okay, this is the 1970 Chevy Camaro RS. Okay, here is a Chevy Chevelle SS, $396 underneath the hood. It's a beautiful black vinyl top. Okay, here's the 396. I'll tell you one thing, they got some nice cars here at this show. Okay, here we have a 1952 International pickup truck. Got some flames going on the hood there. I like the graphics in the back. Pretty cool. Okay, here's the engine compartment. Looks like we got power brakes. Okay, and there's the interior. Okay, here's a 1968 Plymouth Satellite. Okay, and here's your interior. Okay, this is a 1931 Chevy. Oh, okay. Well worth it. It's beautiful.
Nice.
It's interior. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful black. Okay, here's a 1970 Mustang. I don't know if I took a video of this yet at another car show or not. It's got the 351 underneath the hood. Okay, this one is Hearst equipped. Okay, this is my last one for today. It's a 1967 Chevy Camaro. It's an SS. It's got the 350 cubic inch underneath the hood. Got some nice rims on it. Okay, here's the 350, and it's got power brakes and power steering. Nice. Nice white convertible top. Very nice.